To make the most out of Revolut batch payments, it is essential to understand the concept and its application. Revolut is a digital banking platform that allows users to manage their finances efficiently. Batch payments refer to the process of making multiple payments at once, which can be particularly useful for businesses or individuals who need to make frequent transactions. First, you need to set up your Revolut account and ensure you have sufficient funds to make the payments. Once you have access to the Revolut dashboard, navigate to the Payments section and select the Batch Payments option. Here, you can upload a CSV file containing the payment details, including the recipient's name, account number, and amount. When preparing your CSV file, make sure to follow the required format to avoid any errors. The file should include the recipient's details in a specific order, and it is crucial to double-check the information for accuracy. You can find the exact format requirements in the Revolut Help section or by contacting their customer support. Once the CSV file is uploaded, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Revolut will also verify the information to prevent any potential errors. After confirmation, the payments will be processed, and the recipients will receive the funds. To make the process even more efficient, consider setting up a template for your CSV file. This way, you can easily replicate the format for future batch payments, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Additionally, take advantage of Revolut's payment scheduling feature, which allows you to set up payments in advance and have them processed automatically. Best practices for using Revolut batch payments include regularly reviewing your account activity, monitoring your funds, and keeping your account information up to date. It is also essential to be aware of any transaction fees associated with batch payments and to factor these into your budget. By following these tips and guidelines, you can streamline your payment process, save time, and reduce the risk of errors. Revolut batch payments offer a convenient and efficient way to manage multiple transactions, making it an ideal solution for businesses and individuals with frequent payment needs.